Hello, YouTube land. It's Martin with 95 Arrow Boy. It's a little bit of a glare. I'm over here at a laundromat. Friday noontime. Forgot what date it was. It's 2019. Literally just like 2 days after Christmas. That would be the 27th or 28th. So Dorothy and I are out doing laundry at a laundromat, drying clothing only. A couple of years ago, I did a video of our how do we say our can't even think of it. I haven't had any sleep. Our laundry dryer at home, which doesn't work anymore. But we made a video to where it sounded just like the old song called Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. I think that video was on Facebook. But anyways, I'm here at the laundromat, and guess what? The dryer is making practically the same sound, not as intense. So, check this out. There's nobody here in the laundromat. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's not making the sound anymore, but it was sounding just like it. So, anyways, peace out. Oh yeah, be safe, be smart, be a sober driver.